center of gravity up. I would recommend no more than about a cup. I've got a bag of cat litter. Really anything will work, but this is cheap and easy. So again, we want to add this as high as possible. There's lots of different ways you can do this. You could just pour it in the nose cone, but we've got to keep it in the top. So you are going to have to invent a way to keep it all the way up there. If you had 2 bottles and saved this, sometimes this comes in handy if you want to put it inside. You could put it down here. This really works well as a nose cone all by itself, but this again makes things just a little bit longer for us. So I'm not going to show you what I end up doing with the weight or the ballast to change it and where I put it, because I want you guys to figure that out. I'm going to add my weight, I'm going to tape my nose cone on, and then I'm going to show you how to find the center of gravity. So we'll be back in a minute. So we've got the cat litter added to the nose cone. It's up in the top as far as I could get it to move the center of gravity. We're basically done, but we're going to measure the center of gravity and the center of pressure. Okay? We're going to use reinforcements to mark them. The white one is going to symbolize the center of gravity, and we'll use the colored ones for center of pressure. All right? So we're going to take our string and a paper clip and a rubber band, and we're going to make a tool. I'll have some of these ready for you, but we're going to hook this through there. Basically, we're just hooking a rubber band to our string. Get that to go through. And this will help us find the balancing point. So I'm going to put the rubber band around my rocket, and I'm going to hang it in the string until I find the balancing point. So obviously I need to move this way quite a bit. Let's try that. Ooh, that looks pretty close. Looks like I might have gone a little too far. Back. Ooh, that looks perfect. So this point here, right where the string is pointing, this will be my center of gravity. So I'm going to take one of these white stickers and stick it on right there. Next video, we'll show you how to find the center of pressure, which, as you recall, as one of our requirements, needs to be at least 2 inches below the center of gravity. On to the next